Hi guys, welcome back to Taste with Twist. Today I'll show you how to make these tasty Usmania cookies or Usmania biscuits both in oven and on stove top. Before that, please subscribe to my channel if you like this video and ring the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Do share this video with your family and friends, it helps a lot. To make the cookies, here in a bowl I have taken 100 grams of unsalted butter. You can use salted butter or unsalted butter. Here I am using unsalted butter. When you are using salted butter, be careful while adding the salt in the cookie dough. Now I have added 100 grams of powdered sugar to the butter. Beat this well with a whisk or even an electric hand mixer until the butter turns pale like this. At this stage, let's add our flour. Add 200 grams of all-purpose flour or maida, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix the flour into the butter mixture until it has a breadcrumb-like texture. Use your hands if you find it hard to mix with a spoon. You can even use an electric mixer, but using hands works just as fine. Before starting to make the cookie dough, remember to soften the butter. Just keep the butter out of the fridge at room temperature for 1 to 2 hours before you start making the dough. Now I have added 1 tablespoon of custard powder. Mix this well into the flour mixture. After mixing everything well, let's make a dough of this mixture. Add milk 1 tablespoon at a time to make a soft dough of this mixture. You won't need more than 2 tablespoons or 3 tablespoons of milk to make the dough. After making the dough, rest this dough for 30 minutes. Just before we start to make cookies, preheat an aluminium or non-stick vessel with lid on for 10 minutes on a low flame. Now take out the cookie dough and grease your rolling pin well with butter and grease the plate in which you will be baking the cookies well with butter or oil. With the help of the greased rolling pin, roll out the dough into a half centimeter thick sheet. This dough breaks apart very easily. That is the texture of the dough we are looking for. After rolling out the dough, take a cookie cutter or a ball with a sharp edge to cut out the cookies. These Usmania cookies are very popular in Hyderabad, in Telangana and Andhra regions. We love these cookies very much as an evening snack. They taste really good and they go well with your evening tea too. Now gently lift the cookies with the help of a knife or a spatula and place them in the greased plate. We will be baking these cookies on the stove top. Now our cookies are ready to be baked. Open the lid of the preheated non-stick pan. Place a cookie cutter or small ball just to elevate the surface. Don't place the plate directly on the base of the vessel. Cover with lid and bake on low flame for 20 minutes. Now make the cookies from the remaining cookie dough in the same way. You can even freeze this cookie dough for up to 1 month and make cookies whenever you like. I will be baking the remaining cookies in the oven or OTG. You need not have special equipment to make different kinds of dishes. Just experiment with your cooking skills and you'll definitely find a way out. So I have rolled out the remaining cookie dough and I'm placing them in the baking tray lined with a parchment paper. Bake these cookies in a preheated oven at 150 degrees for 35 minutes. Our stove top cookies are looking good and ready now. Take these out and let them cool down completely. Our oven cookies are also baked now after 30 minutes. Serve with some tea or have them as it is. Bake them in oven or stove top. They taste good either way. Do try this recipe at home and let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.